Hello, welcome to my channel. This is some tips and tricks on the new, it's a supplementary class, not a main course class at VIPKid, but it's called Voice of VIPKid. And you all should go to your teacher's portal and sign up for it and get the certification. It's just like a 10-question quiz. It's super easy, but it's so much fun, and the kids love it. And, well, they either love it or they'll look at you like, what are you doing? Or, no. That's another one I get. But here are a few things that I wrote down that I thought would be some help to you guys. But number one is, when you go to this class, make sure you have your energy up. Drink your coffee, do your morning exercises, whatever wakes you up. Number two, you don't have to be a good singer, you guys. I'm definitely not a good singer, but throw on a costume, some colored hair, whatever, and just have fun. What I like to do, because this class, it's only 19 slides, I like to demonstrate, read it, spell it, and ask it, and make sure they answer in a full sentence. The one I just got finished teaching, it was, how are you? And my students practiced happy, excited, angry, and sad. And she spelled out each word. I demonstrated it. She read it. Then I asked it, how are you? I am happy. But most of the Voice of VIPKid songs, they are set up like that, or I can clap, I can jump. But you definitely will have the songs in your head the entire time. Be prepared, the parents will watch. You will feel like an idiot. But I don't know, I guess where the parents watch pretty much all my lessons, because I've only been at VIPKid for about 3 months now, so I'm still kind of new, so I get a lot of new students, and the parents tend to watch at least the first 2 or 3 classes, so you just kind of have to push that factor out and just teach. Let's see, what else do I need to think of? I feel like I'm missing something. Take your time, make sure your student understands. That's the whole point of all of our classes, is we want that student to absorb the information. At the end, it will have a slide that will be in Chinese. I cannot read it. I actually asked the student, can you read this? I don't know why I thought she could, because she would have to take the Chinese and translate it to English, and that's impossible. But she's like, no, teacher, no. But anyway, yeah, Voice of VIPKid. Please go sign up, subscribe. This is like my second video, I think, so I don't really know what I'm doing, and it's kind of odd talking to a camera. But I'm sure I will get better at this. But if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will be putting some more videos on soon. Thanks. Bye. Oh, subscribe.